Hello students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of exercise 8.3. 21st question. First one, integral sine power 6x dx. How do we express this? This I can write sine square x whole cube. Can I write? 3 2s are 6. Already I told you one formula here. Whenever we have sine square theta, I told you 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Do you remember? Cos 2 theta upon 2. So that means this can be written as 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 whole cube dx integral a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay? Upon 2 cube means how much? 8 dx. What is the formula for a minus b whole cube? Is that clear? A minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Once check that formula. A cube means 1 cube, 1. Cos 2x whole cube, cos cube 2x minus 3 a square means 1 square cos 2x, a b square, so cos square 2x. Keep 1 by 8 aside. Integral 1 minus this I am going to write cos 2x into cos square x. Cos square theta, how can we write? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, right? Is that clear? So cos 2x into cos square 2x we have, no? There we can write 1 plus cos 2x. 2x means already 2 is there, so this will be 4x. Careful. By 2. This I am writing as it is, plus 3 cos square 2x again, same, 1 plus cos, instead of theta we have 2x, so 4x upon 2. Okay, this is the simplified form dx. Check it again. Cos 2x into cos square 2x can be written as 1 plus cos 4x by 2. This is as it is, plus 3 into again cos square 2x we have. I wrote that. Okay. Now 1 by 8 into integral 1 minus, multiply inside this, cos 2x minus cos 2x minus cos 2x into cos 4x upon 2 I am keeping minus of, this is plus I am keeping, okay, minus 3 cos 2x plus this will take 3 plus 3 cos 4x upon 2 whole dx. Now take LCM first. We will see. If you take LCM, 1 by 8 2s are 16. Integral 2 1s are 2 minus cos 2x minus cos 2x cos 4x. Okay. Minus 3 cos 2x means 2 3s are 6 cos 2x plus 3 plus 3 cos 4x. Okay, we can write the integration for everything but except one term. 2 plus 3 we have 5 minus cos 2x, okay, and minus 6 cos, minus 6 cos 2x minus cos 2x minus 7 cos 2x, we can write 7 cos 2x, right, plus 3 cos 4x minus of, it looks like cos A 2 is not there, right? So I will do one thing here again. 1 by 2 of 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Understood? This dx. Clear? 3 plus 2 5 minus 6 cos 2x minus cos 2x minus 7 cos 2x 3 cos 4x as it is. This looks like 2 cos A cos B. I am taking cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay? 1 by 16 integral 5 minus 7 cos 2x plus, I will take LCM otherwise, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6 cos 4x minus cos 6x minus cos 2x, right, dx. By 2 is there now, 16 2s are 32. Any like terms we have? We have some like terms here, cos 2x, okay, I will write that. Look at 1 by 32 integral 10 minus 14 minus 1 minus 15 cos 2x, okay, plus 6 cos 4x. Looks like easy but lengthy. 6 cos 4x minus cos 6x dx. Now write the integration. 10x minus 15 into cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2 plus 6 into cos 4x integration sin 4x upon 4, cos 6x is sin 6x upon 6 plus c. Now we can simplify this. 10x upon 32, 15 upon 32 2s 64 sin 2x plus 2 3s, 2 2s we can cancel, 1 by 32 2s 64, here 3 is there, 3 by 64 sin 4x minus 1 by 192, right, sin 6x plus c. So we can write here one more step. So 2 5s, 2 16s, this we can write as it is, this we can write as it is, this also we can write as it is, sin 6x plus c. Therefore, integral sin power 6x dx equal to 5x by 16 minus 15 by 64 sin 2x plus 3 by 64 sin 4x minus 1 by 192 sin 6x plus. That is the end of solution. Okay, looks like lengthy, but it is easy. Okay. So let us see the second one. Second solution, sin power 4x into cos square x dx equal to integral, this I am writing sin square x into sin square x cos square x dx. I am taking 1 by 4 into sin square x. Here 4 I am writing 2 sin square x cos square x dx. Why did I take 4 here? Have you understood this? Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So here I can write 2 sin x cos x whole square. That means I can write sin square 2x. For that purpose only I wrote multiplied and divided with 4. Okay, 4 sin square x cos square x can be written as sin square 2x. Okay, now we write the formulas for sin square x. Wherever we have sin square theta, I told you 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. So this is 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. This is 1 minus cos, instead of x we have 2x, so 4x upon 2 dx. Now multiply the terms. So 1 by 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, integral 1 minus cos 4x minus cos 2x, minus into minus plus cos 2x into cos 4x. Again product is there. Wherever we have product, we told you one formula. 1 by 16 integral 1 minus cos 4x minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2 into 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. You have to remember that formula. 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B can be cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, right? So by using that, I'll just take LCM here. 1 by 16 integral 2 you write, take LCM. 16 2s are 32 I am writing. So 2 minus 2 cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x plus cos 6x plus cos 2x. Any like terms do you find here? Any like terms? Cos 2x and cos 2x we have 1 by 32 integral 2 minus 2 cos 4x. Okay. Minus 2 cos 2x and minus cos 2x plus cos 6x. Now we can write integration easily. Right? Now I will write the integration. See. Integration if you write, what will you get? 1 by 32 integral, write integration 2x minus 2 into cos 4x integration is sin 4x by 4 minus sin 2x by 2 plus sin 6x upon 6 plus c. Okay. Now multiply inside 1 by 16x. Here 2 1s 2 2s. 1 by 64 sin 4x. Okay. Minus 1 by 64 sin 2x plus 1 by 192 sin 6x plus. That is the final answer. Therefore, integral sin power 4x cos square x dx equal to 1 by 16x minus 1 by 64 sin 4x 1 by 64 sin 2x plus 1 by 192 sin 6x plus. That is the end of solution. Okay? Hope it is clear. Thank you.